Did you know that you can enhance both your stamina and endurance by mastering how you breathe as you jump rope?
Wow.
Seriously.
Let's jump right in and explore how you can take your workouts to the next level by mastering the way that you breathe. During jump rope sessions, the way that you breathe can make all the difference. Proper breathing not only helps you maintain a steady rhythm, but also ensures that your muscles receive adequate supply of oxygen. This in turn boosts your endurance and allows you to push through intense workouts with ease. Remember that all the equipment you see in today's video is available for purchase down below. When you jump rope, your body demands more oxygen to fuel your muscles.
I demand more.
Leading to quicker, deeper breaths. So this leads to you breathing quicker to fulfill your needs of your muscles while you're jumping. If you don't control this breath, it'll lead to you gasping for air and losing your rhythm. And rhythm is everything when you're jumping rope. When you master the way that you breathe, you can maximize your energy levels, reduce fatigue, and improve your overall agility.
Oh my! Oh, that's very impressive.
Breathing properly not only improves your physical performance, but it sharpens your mental performance, which allows you to take on challenges with confidence. Now let's address some common breathing mistakes that many people make during jump rope sessions, including holding your breath, shallow breathing, or breathing erratically. This can all hinder your performance and limit your progress. By understanding and correcting these mistakes, you can unlock your full potential and achieve better results in your training.
I just wanted you to live up to your potential.
So what is the exact breathing techniques you should be using during jump rope sessions? Well, it all comes down to timing and rhythm. For basic jumps, try inhale as the rope passes under your feet and exhale as it goes over your head. Remember to breathe in through your nose and out through your mouth. This steady rhythm will help you stay focused and maintain a smooth flow throughout your workout. It may be necessary to adjust your breathing pattern as you progress to more advanced jump rope techniques, such as double unders or crossovers. Find a rhythm that works for you, stay relaxed, breathe deeply, and practice consistently. Being mindful of your breath will lead to improved endurance and efficiency. Maintaining good posture while you're jumping rope can significantly enhance your breathing efficiency. When you keep your spine straight and shoulders relaxed, you open up your chest cavity, allowing your lungs to expand more fully. This improved lung capacity facilitates deeper or controlled breaths, ensuring a steady flow of oxygen to your muscles and helping you to sustain your workouts for longer periods of time. As you do this more often, this will become second nature and it'll become very easy. You won't even notice that you're doing it, but you'll be breathing properly while you're jumping rope. Now, if you learned something from this video, drop me a like. And if you want to learn even more about jumping rope and you want some of the myths about jumping rope debunked, check this video out right here. I'm sure it'll teach you a lot. And as always, just start. We're about being perfect later. Peace.